Miss Jen. I'm here to read a story to you today, and I'm reading Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Oh, hello! It's so nice to meet you, Franklin said. Will you be here soon? I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It's all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us the hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backwards from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backwards from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure the hiccups. So I need you to scare me. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You guys, you're going to say boo on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! I can't hear you guys. Say it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job. Boo! Is that it? Let's try louder this time. Oh, louder, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Pretty scary. Maybe that cured it. Ooh, how's he feeling now? Oh no. Well, I have the hiccups forever. He looks really frustrated. One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar! My dog Rosie helped. Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for you for a good scare. And then you go and jump out on me? So now my feathers are all wet and my mom's gonna go bonkers because she just washed them the other day. Now I have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a sec. My hiccups, they're gone. Okay, thank you so very much. Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco. Do you guys think that's a good idea? If he has a spicy taco and chili gave him the hiccups last time? Oh no, he got them again. I hope you guys liked the story.